On Armageddon, December 12th, 2012, a horrifying monster attacked the beautiful city of Brentwood.
Mr. Cardwell, what do we do, Mr. Cardwell?
The terrifying monster approached a beautiful house at the edge of the Princeton Hills residence. Everyone was terrified. When suddenly, one of Brentwood's finest gave a well-aimed shot to the monster and paralyzed it. This was a good thing, too, because it was only 36 feet away from the nearest house. But to everyone's extreme dismay, the 85-foot creature immediately crashed into the side of the house. The Brentwood cops dragged the monster to the ground using cables made of pure gold and justice. The monster's feet slid away from the house at a rate of 2 feet per minute. Now, if the monster was being pulled away, at what rate is his head sliding down the side when his head is 10 feet off the ground?
So if the desk is 85 feet tall and the height of the house is y, it is 36 feet away from the house and moving at a rate of change of 2 feet per minute. Then we have to find the rate of change of what is moving down the house when it's 10 feet away from the ground. So first we're going to set this up like Pythagorean theorem, which is x squared plus y squared equals 85 feet squared. And then we're going to find the derivative of this, which is 2x dx dt plus 2y dy dt equals 0. We know that the rate of change of x is 2 feet per minute, so we're going to plug that in, and that's going to be 4x plus 2y dy dt equals 0. Then we're going to take 4x and move it to the other side and solve for y. So then the rate of change for y, as of right now, is negative, we're going to simplify, well, it's going to be negative 2x over y when we simplify it. Okay, and then, so we need to find, we know that y equals 10, so we have to find what x equals when y is 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to move around the Pythagorean theorem and solve for x. We know x squared equals 85 squared plus y squared, which is 10 squared. And then x ends up being the square root of, actually, yeah, it's going to be,
Did you come and do it?
Show the negative.
okay, so it's going to be minus, like that. And then we're going to simplify that, so that is about 84.41. So we're going to plug that back into the equation. So it's negative 2 times 84.41 divided by 10 equals.
Not gonna get that fancy dinner if you don't use those units of measurement.
All right, so, oh, measurement. Okay.
Simplify.
Mr. Cardwell. All right. And I think this is it.
All right, I'll give you that one.